What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassandra and today we're doing an art project. So a couple days ago on Instagram I was going through my feed and I saw this cute little video of this tiny little art project and I kind of figured out how to do it. So I wanted to try it. So you need a plastic bag. You kind of want it to be not have this part on it. Unfortunately, I bought the bags that have them, but that's okay. It just makes it a little bit harder to draw on the bag. But you take the bag and then you cut. You don't have to do this part. I thought that it just made it a little bit easier to cut off the Ziploc part of it. But if you want to, like, you know, reuse the bag or whatever, just leave it on there. So then you have your plastic bag, and then you need a black piece of construction paper. Now I didn't have any black construction paper. I didn't really feel like going and buying it, so I just took a piece of printer paper and took a black marker and colored it. It's not going to work as well as just a plain black piece of paper, but you know, it'll work. That's what we got. And then you just kind of pick a scene to draw on the plastic bag. And so I chose to do like a cave with bats. Then you're going to draw a flashlight, and once you draw the flashlight you're going to go from where the top is and you're going to cut out into a V, so that way it's like when you shine a light it comes out. So it's going to look like that. Have your flashlight. So that's what I have. I chose, you know, you can do whatever colors you want, but this is what I chose to do. And then you take that flashlight and you put it into the scene and it'll light up parts of it. Whatever is underneath the white part will become visible. So I thought that was a really cool, cute little project. And then off camera, I decided to draw a couple more scenes. So we've got a prehistoric scene, which is right here. Super cute little dinosaurs you probably can't really see on camera, but you will in a second. And then I also did what I had originally seen on Instagram, which was like a little beach scene. So just drew a little bunch of tiny little beach things. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun doing this cute little arts and craft project. Let me know if you want to see more artsy things by leaving a comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I try really hard to get videos out 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but it doesn't always happen, and especially I'm going to be starting work really soon, which I'm super excited about, so I might only end up posting a couple times a week, but we'll see. I'm going to try really, really hard for that 3 times a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!